Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by locking the song's purpose. State the genre, mood, tempo, and length. Then feed the AI clear prompts, theme, story beats, and reference lines so it has direction. Once done, set voice style and licensing constraints so outputs are usable. Make sure to prepare a short lyric hook and a chord progression example. These act as anchors. You don't need perfection now, iterate. Save versions as you go so you can compare directions and avoid losing promising drafts. You now expand the skeleton into a full arrangement by generating each section deliberately. Intro, verse, chorus, bridge, and outro. Prompt the AI for melodic contour and chord progressions that support lyrical emphasis. Then iterate, adjust syllable counts and rhyme placement to fit beats and phrasing. Once melodies feel natural, export MIDI or stems and build the arrangement. Add harmony, bass, and percussion. Make sure to test vocal ranges and melodic hooks with quick recording. You finish by polishing lyrics, tightening timing, and smoothing transitions. Perform manual edits where the AI stumbled. Then mix for balance and master for consistent loudness. Export stems or final WAV/MP3 depending on release needs. Once done, test playback on multiple systems and get quick feedback. If something sounds off, reprompt with focused instructions, isolate the problematic track, or re-record vocals yourself. Keep incremental saves so you can revert changes and recover the best prior version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.